Unfortunately, in that situation, she did not have a legal grounds in Arizona for that because their divorce had been finalized and their assets had been separated. So, unfortunately, she did not. But how do we avoid litigation? People do like to sue. People feel wronged, and it gives them a chance to have their day in court. Most properly drafted documents will have some provisions in it that minimize if you are a beneficiary, maybe you get some money, but you get it later in time. That no contest provision, if you challenge those documents, you could find yourself now getting nothing. So you do have to be very careful if you raise litigation, if you're standing to all of a sudden lose something that you were entitled to get or possibly get charged with court fees for frivolous claims. So you do have to be very careful with that. Um, but many times we have to go to court to resolve things. We'll have beneficiaries designated on an asset that by operation of law they're not entitled to. But let's say the custodian, the financial institution says, well, the ex-spouse is still named on here, and so now I have to we have to get a court order to declare that we're not liable if we give the money to the children instead of the ex-spouse.